Nasa music video ng Sining, yung gamit ni Stacy doon, props lang yun. Ito yung totoong ganun. Ang story nito, ng bandana na to, ito yung bandana ni Maisie, ng girlfriend ko, noong una kaming nagkita. Tapos, bumili ako ng gitara, nilagay ko siya sa gitara ko, tapos hindi ko na siya inalis. Pag nilapitan nyo sa sobrang dumi niya na, tapos ang dami niya ng tastas. Kaya hindi ko siya hinuhugasan, hindi dahil dugyot ako. Kaya hindi ko siya hinuhugasan dahil lahat ng lugar na puntahan ko, may alikabok ng lugar na yon sa bandana na to. So ngayon, may alikabok na ng Aurora dito, so yung mga taga dito magingay, So, jamming tayo, GG, game, let's go. Let's set the mood. When I was young, I saw my daddy cry. It hurts at the wind. He broke his own heart as outwards as he tried to reassemble it. Mama was right, she would never let herself forget. And what? And that was the day that I promised I'd never sing of love, as if love don't exist. But darling, ikaw lang mahal, laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara, himig ng kamay. So, kung bukas man ang tinig ay di mawawala, iwag mo dala. Ikaw ang nabigasyon, may ikaw. One more time. Lahat ng nagmamahal mag-ingay! Kung dumating ang araw na di na maalala ng iyong mata ang aking mukha, mahal, huwag kang mag-alala, tanda naman ng puso ang itsura ng naging pagsinta. Oras na yun, kung oras ay nababalik lang sana, ay babalik nung unang kang nakita. Muli kang niligawan ng muli kong maranasan ang umibig sa anghel sa lupa. At ang lahat ay magsasabing ano? Ikaw lang ang mahal, laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara at himig ng kanta. Kung bukas man ang tinig ay di mawawala, iwag mong alam. Aurora na yun! Ikaw. Beautiful, beautiful. second verse, listen. Kung utak ay hindi naghayang gumawa ng melodiya para pisngi mo'y bubula, memorya ko man ay wala na, natatak na sa tadhanang minsan sa'yo'y namangha. Kung oras sa'yo na, kung oras ay nababalik lang sana, ay babalik nung unang kang nakita, at aking iuulat sa iyong umabot ng walang hanggan ng storya nating dalawa, kasi ikaw lang mahal. Laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara, ibig ng kanta, di mo pasman ang tinig ay di mawawala, iwanan mong dala. Sabay-sabay, ikaw ang ano? Ikaw. Maraming salamat po, everyone. Palapan niyo naman ang OPM, everyone. Come on, come on. Okay, can we close the lights? Say it close. Come on. The reason why we close the lights, everyone, is naniniwala akong, tinanong ko kanina 80,000 daw tayo lahat dito. Totoo ba yun, everyone? Yung lahat ng 80,000 na tao na yun, pwede bang buksan nyo lahat ng flashlights nyo, everyone? Come on, come on, come on. Gagi. Ang ganda, gagi. Dito kayo, tingnan nyo. Come on, come on. Yo, what? May gagawin tayong choreo ngayon. Dapat kasali kayo lahat dito. Lahat ng flashlights, taas. Yung pinakamataas na kaya nyo gawin. Nasabay-sabay nyo namang ibaba. Huwag nyo papatayin, pero dapat hindi ko kita. Come on, come on, come on. Put it down, pero dapat hindi ko kita. Huwag nyo papatayin, baba lang, baba lang. Ngayon gagawin natin, papakantayin ko kayo ng isang noto. Ulitin nyo sa akin. Pag tinawag ko kayo, sabay-sabay nyo itataas. Ganon. 1. Tapos, habang kumakanta kayo, isusulat nyo yung first letter ng taong mahal nyo. Game, game, game! Sorry, okay, nakababa. Practice. Tapos tatawagin ko kayo, tataas, dahan-dahan. Habang kumakanta kayo, susulat nyo yung first letter ng taong mahal nyo. Ay, pag wala kayong minamahal pa, 0 na lang, bilog. Yan. Puro bilog. Ay, sama, practice. Nakababa, tatawagin ko kayo, sabay-sabay tataas. Then circle habang kumakanta. Alright, eto yung twist. Hatiin ko kayo sa tatlong grupo, okay? Lahat ng nasa kanan ko mula dito hanggang dun sa pinakadulo, kayo yung group 1, okay? So group 1, mag-ingay! Woo! Now, lahat naman ng nasa kaliwa ko mula dun hanggang dun sa pinakadulo sa kaliwa, kayo yung group 2, okay? So group 2, mag-ingay! Now, lahat ng nasa gitna na hindi ko pa natatawag, kayo yung group 3, okay? So group 3, let me hear you scream! And then twist, yung pinakamalakas kumanta at pinakamagaling mag-ikot ng flashlights, yun yung unang grupong yayaman ngayong taon. Game! So group 1, 2, and 3, mag-ingay! Yayamanin. Okay. Ito yung, tandaan yung choreo, everyone. Ito yung twist, una group 1, Group 2, then Group 3. Gets everyone. Gets. Game. Let's go. Group 1. Here's your note. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. La. Group 1, here's sing. Group 2, like you guys, like this. La. Group 2, what? How about Group 3? And then... Group 3! Now Group 1, 2, and 3, like this! niyo ako, tuparin yung pangarap ko. Come on, sing this everyone. Let's go! Ang mitolohiya sa'y maaari. You're blessed! A pretty, pretty lady, big band doesn't make sense. I see God. Come on! Ang himay sa'yo'y ibigin. Haven't felt something fine till I looked in your eyes. See my future. Baby, loving you. I'll do something in heaven, and I got it instantly coming from your next day. Music's for my Disney, in this whole place, okay. But you on my Friday, listen to the night, cause I love every part of you. Can we slow down? You don't wanna miss something. Ibigay ka naman sa teatrong buhay, limitado ang bawat kiso na matay ka wala na. Say what? Pretty, pretty lady. Come on! Haven't felt so divine till I looked in your eyes. See my future. Baby, nothing you say to me. Come on, I don't deserve mahalin mag-ina. Ang himay sa'yo'y ibigin. So divine. Look in your eyes. See my future. Baby, nothing you say to me. Baby, nothing you say to me. Baby, loving you. Nothing you say to me. Though I don't wanna live without without you, girl. Hey, everyone having fun? Everyone having fun, alright? Yeah. Thank you so much. Just making sure. You know what? I just want to share. 2 weeks ago, it was my birthday, so happy birthday! Here's the twist. Meron ako kayong magbibigay ng gift sa inyo ngayong gabi. Gusto kong bigyan ng Aurora Fest ng isang malaking spoiler. Game, everyone? Game? Spoiler number 1. Listen. Spoiler number 1. Get ready for Neo and Dionella this year. That's one. Number 2. For some reasons, marami nagtatanong kung ano ibig sabihin ko sa mga lyrics ko. And it's fine. Pero gusto ko lang ikwento yung isang lyrics na favorite ko dun sa kanta na to. At yung lyrics na yun ay I see God in your face. Marami nagtatanong sa akin ano ibig sabihin ng I see God in your face. Ang ibig sabihin ng I see God in your face is, listen, whenever you feel loved, whenever you feel safe, whenever you feel at home, whenever you feel appreciated, that's God's presence right there. Ang isang tanong, isang sagot! Sino mga nagmamahal dito? Ay, you know what? No one is beyond love. Kahit gano'n katigas, kahit gangster ka, marunong ka rin magmahal. Agree? Agree now, listen. Lahat na pinuntahan naming lugar, kinanta yung chorus ito ng sobrang lakas. Pero hindi sila kasing dami natin ngayon. Kaya ngayong gabi naniniwala ako ng buong Aurora ay kakantay ng chorus ito ng sobrang lakas. Makaasa ba ako, everyone? Makaasa ba ako, mga kaibigan? We'll see. On my count, if you ever loved someone, if you had ka ng isang tao before, you're gonna sing this song as loud as you can. 1, 2, let's go! But in love,
Ang di malay sa'yo ibibig.
I've been failed, so be mine. Baby, loving you. Loving you, save me. Wanna make some noise? Everybody say, ah! 1, 2, 3, let's do it! There's something about the way she moves. What? I can't figure it out. There's something about her. There's something about her. Got a woman that only you. Can't figure it out. There's something about her. It's what? She walks like a boss, sounds like a boss. Like she feels, she should be telling you no. She's not effortlessly. Okay po yung everyone! Kaya ba? Kaya ba? Yo, kanina tinanong ko kayo sino yung mga singers dito. Sabi nyo kayo, at napatunayan nyo yun. Now this time, sino sa Aurora Fest ang mga dancers? Come on! Well, listen. Marami kaming camera sa paligid. Mamili kayo sa inyo ng pinakamalupit sumayaw. Pabilang 3 kakatayin yung chorus nito. Habang sumasayo kayong lahat, kaya nyo bang gawin na everyone? We'll see. We'll see. Okay, I'm gonna count. 1, 2. Come on, 2. She got it. Yeah. Won't you come and spend a little time? She got it. That's why missing baby. Ooh, the way she shine. One more time. She got it. She come and spend a little time, she got it. That's why I love her. Missing ooh, the way she miss Miss Let's get my name is Lionel. Thank you so much, everyone. Before I leave the stage, for my last song, this next song is called Salamander, and hope you like this one. Come on. You know this song. Shout out to my boy King Floro, come on. Aurora. That's why mga tropa ko mag-sing with me. 1, 2, 3, come on. Outside of flowers and they bloom. Like my first I'm living life the day I met you. Hate to think that humans have to die someday. 1,000 years from knowing you're better love, even though I'm scarce alive, baby. The pain Pain is unbearable. Minsan ay ikinaman, binibining may salamata. Minsan man ang nagsansura, ikaw ay tinabihin sa puseyong pinaluluha. Binibining kong ginto ang naluluha. Only get you like that, like that shit all my life. Sa tingin mo na ang oras ay lumipas na, patuloy na mararahuyo sa ganda. At sumisit ang nasikate all my life.
Okay. You know how I feel about you, right? Pretty lady, then now I'm ready to fucking do right, move right. We can make love in the moonlight, blaze up till the day comes in a room like this. Independent, mission is pending, no ill intentions, just feel confessions. Do you feel the tension? Cause you're real, like I feel your presence. You gotta heal the essence. Got your own grind, I got mine. You work most days, long nights, we get time to lay it down for you. Break it down to the ground for your baby girl, I'm proud of you. Fast to the bone, handle the road, immaculate passion, the most fast in the cold, dancing it back and from old back in the zone, both hands on the floor, it's romance, good show.
Minsan ay ikinaman, binibining may salamanda. Minsan man ang nagsansura, ikaw ay tila sa puseyong pinaluluha. Binibining kong ginto ang kaluluwa. I'm living like that, that shit all my life. Sa tingin mo na ang oras ay lumipas na, patuloy na mararahuyo sa ganda. At sumisit ang nasikate all my life. Come on, yan po na last time, pwede mabuksan ulit yung mga flashlights nyo lahat. Come on, come on, come on! Aye! Thank you so much, everyone. Again, my name is Tayo Nera. Sana nag-enjoy nyo ngayong gabi, everyone! Sana lang, kung nagpunta kayo dito para mag-enjoy at kung mahal nyo ang OPM, pagbilang ko ng tatlo, sisto kayo ng sobrang lakas. Kaya nyo ba yan? Kaya nyo ba yan? 80,000 people! Oh my God! Ready! Ready! Pagdating ng huling araw, naramdam may habang buhay. Kaman siya. That the world will never take away. That's it. One last time, kayo lang. 1, 2, 3. Ikaw ay tila
Sining sa museyong pinaluluha. Binibining kong ginto hanggang kaluluwa.
What? Connor! Hit that note! All my life. Ay, kung sa tingin mo na ang
Oras na lumipas na,
ako'y pa
uwi na mararahuyo sa ganda.
at sa hiso every single day. All my life. Palasan po yung pinakamalakas na sigaw para sa ating lahat. Come on! Thank you so much, everyone.